Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of Instagram music not being available in your region. So let's start the video. The easiest way to access Instagram music from an unsupported region is by using a VPN. Download and install a trusted VPN app from the Google Play Store. Popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or CyberGhost. Open the VPN app and connect to a server in a country where Instagram music is available, such as the USA or UK. Once connected, open Instagram and try adding music to your story. Switching your account type can also help. Go to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines. Select Settings, then Account Type, and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to complete the choice and then check if the music feature is available. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.